Fruit Logistica 2026 is behind us, and what an intense few days it was. We had the opportunity to present Weigh and Fill G3 Evolution machine. Visitors could also see our denester. But beyond the machines, what truly made this event special were the people. Trade fairs like Fruit Logistica are about more than showcasing technology. For us, it was a space for real conversations, meaningful meetings, and valuable feedback. Thank you to everyone who visited our stand. We appreciate your questions, your insights, and your openness in sharing your challenges and expectations. The discussions we had are already shaping our next steps and future developments. We're grateful for your trust and for the opportunity to present our solutions on such an international stage. If we didn't have the chance to meet this time, feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to continue the conversation. Thank you once again for being part of this experience. See you at the next event.